Assalamu alaikum. My name is Isa Khushbakht and I'm the Director of Quality Assurance and Analytics. Firstly, thank you to University Times for giving me an opportunity to talk about the nature of Team QA's work. जो Air Nexus है वो actually a university का flagship event है which we've been carrying out successfully for a couple of years now. Unfortunately, in the wake of corona pandemic हमें इस तरह लगा कि इस साल event नहीं हो पाएगा. But Air University was quick to understand that social media is such a powerful tool when it comes to enabling interconnectivity of students. So हमने Air eNexus जो है उसको introduce कराया, Pakistan's biggest e-Olympiad. See, the management body of Air eNexus set out a complete list of quality objectives which Team Quality Assurance and Analytics is to ensure during the event. Now we have 9 categories. We have divided 61 events into those 9 categories. We have technical events for the technical minded. We have literary events for what we call the intelligentsia. We have musical events for all the upcoming artists, new artists who want to introduce themselves to Pakistan. तो इसकी वजह से नेचर एंड स्पैन ऑफ एयर eNexus काफ़ी बढ़ गया. उस चीज़ को काउंटर करने के लिए क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस एंड एनालिटिक्स की टीम ने एक 4 स्टेप साइकिल जो है उसको इंट्रोड्यूस कराया, प्लान डू एक्ट चेक साइकिल, दैट्स व्हाट इट्स कॉल्ड. एनीहाउ, सो द नेचर ऑफ अ वर्क includes firstly that we have to ensure that the participants and organizers are endorsing all quality objectives included in the quality management plan जो initially जो है वो निकला था, जो management body ने निकाला था. तो उसके लिए उसको the way we're doing that is through WhatsApp groups. We're added in WhatsApp groups. We are added in Google Classrooms or any other e-platform that the event heads are resorting to. इसके अलावा we have to maintain continuous interaction with the participants. We have to maintain continuous interaction with the event heads and we have to work with them कि participants के जो है वो objectives क्या हैं, उनकी requirements क्या हैं, and we also have to come up with the basic plans, backup plans just in case something goes wrong. Most importantly, we have to ensure that there's a compliance of decency and high moral standards, and we have to do that by watching all the content which is in all forms, whether it's written, whether it's visual, whether it's spoken. Mainly we have to do that. Other than that, we have to do surveillance and we have to consult event heads at all times. We have to take feedbacks from them, we have to document them, we have to timely report for action. इसके अलावा हमारा जो complaint cell है वो भी fully functional है to tackle any problem that might arise. इसके अलावा हमारी पूरी एक टेक्निकल टीम है, वो इस वजह से है कि जस्ट इन केस जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं उनको कोई टेक्निकल एरर्स दे आर फेसिंग तो दे आर फुली रेडिली अवेलेबल टू हेल्प देम एट ऑल कॉस्ट्स. फाइनली अगर मैं समराइज़ करूँ तो वी हैव टू इंश्योर दैट ऑल प्रोसेसेस ऑफ एयर eNexus आर इन प्लेस. Air eNexus is serving as such an incredible tool. It's a pivotal vehicle for entertainment. It's serving as a pivotal vehicle for entertainment in this time of crisis, which is why my team and I could not have been more proud of ensuring that people are able to feel their interconnectivity and consciousness through it. Thank you so much. Jazakallah.